eyebrows should be always 2/3 and 1/3. Nicely comb and give the shape. Now third step is we are going to shape our brows, okay? So I'm taking this PSE brow palette and a little bit of black color, very little. And then I'm going to start
creating a line, okay, to give a shape.
Then I'm going to create an arch. The first place will be here and the second place will be here. And third will be here. Now let's join everything. Okay, so we have created the shape. So next step will be filling. And be careful while filling, don't take a black color. It will look very artificial. Take a very dark greyish or a dark brown color and just fill it wherever it's required. Okay, already I have a filler brow. So wherever it's required alone, you have to fill it. Okay, just in the gaps. So that's all. With these easy steps, you will get a perfect brow. Hope this video was useful. So kindly do share, like, comment and save this video for future reference. Bye bye. Meet you in next informative video like this.